It is Saturday morning here in New Zealand. My son is sitting up having his breakfast. My daughter actually stayed at a friend's house last night, so he slept until 7 o'clock this morning, and so did I, which was really nice. We've had a very slow start, so it's actually 9 o'clock now and my son's only just having his breakfast, which is very unusual, but that's what I love about the weekends. No rush to be anywhere, no rush to get dressed, no lunch boxes to make. I had a really busy week at work as well, so I'm just going to try and really completely enjoy this weekend and not think about the office and just be in the moment with the kids and enjoy some of the last of the summer weather, because autumn is definitely on its way in. The mornings will be way colder. When I come and wake up the kids in the morning, I've got the blankets right up around their necks, so I can tell that they're feeling the cold as well. I made French toast for my son this morning using some hot cross buns. I've been buying quite a lot of them and just freezing them and just taking them out and defrosting them as I need them. But this morning I thought, since I had a bit more time, I sliced them up, dipped them in an egg, milk and cinnamon mixture, fried them in the frying pan and just dusted them with some icing sugar, and they turned out really nicely, and he's in there busy gobbling them all up, so it was a success. I'm going to show you how we made them in the upcoming clips. Have a really nice relaxing weekend. I hope you're able to switch off from whatever else is going on in life and just enjoy the moment. I will see you in the next video. Bye. The kids have really been enjoying hot cross buns for breakfast. It is the season after all. They're not the healthiest, so this morning I wanted to add some extra protein, so I thought French toast would be the solution. I took out a couple of hot cross buns that were in the freezer and just defrosted them for about 5 minutes. They were still pretty frozen here when I'm cutting them. I dipped them into an egg, milk and cinnamon mixture and let them soak. The longer you can soak them, the better. These are just hot cross buns from the supermarket. You can definitely get way more fancy ones, but to be honest, I just like the ones from the supermarket. I popped some butter into a pan and got that nice and hot, and then in went the French toast. I actually saw a couple of recipes online that add sugar to the egg mixture as well, but you really don't need it. The hot cross buns are sweet enough on their own, and then we're going to dust them with icing sugar, so that's going to up the sweetness level too. Once they're in the pan, I turn the heat down, but you want to get them nice and golden, and then flip them over and do a couple of minutes on the other side. These are looking like they're almost ready to plate up. It's still berry season here in New Zealand, so I'm going to put some berries on the side. I've got some raspberries and blueberries today. It's going to be a sad day when the season is over, because my kids can get through punnets and punnets of these berries every week, although my pocket will be better for it, I'm sure. Okay, I'm serving up the French toast. It's looking really nice and golden. Putting one of the cross sides up because it looks nice and pretty. And now I'm dusting with icing sugar. I call this snow with the kids because they seem to like it better, although I'm not quite sure what's not to like about icing sugar. Let's see if he'll eat this. The berries, of course, were a hit, and after I'd cut up the French toast into 14 pieces, which he counted, he gobbled it all up, no problem. Not the healthiest start to the day, but certainly a delicious start. Have a great weekend, everyone.